Okay, this video is a response video for the faulty rechargeable by sunglasses MP3 player with hidden camera camcorder 8GB versions. I bought from DealExtreme and it has SKU 25189, and I found out that it was the faulty one, and this gentleman asked me to do a video to report the faulty problem apart from the picture that I have already uploaded to him. And then he did also ask me to make a video and upload into YouTube to explain what's the faulty problem. Okay, get back to the real device here. I've got sunglasses with me, and I'll show you what is the faulty problem. Okay. Okay. And okay, this is a spy camera, sunglasses built in, and okay, it has 4 buttons up there. When I switch on, let me see, if I press this button for 5 seconds, it should turn on. Yeah, but once it turns on, what's the problem? I plug in the USB. Look at the USB here. I plug in the USB. Okay, on my computer screen, it didn't show any additional drive regarding to the storage of the sunglasses. Okay, and look at the sunglasses still on. Okay, when I remove this sync cable, okay, and it's still on. If I would like to switch off, I try to press off button. It didn't work. It's still on. What I have to do, I need this thing. Yeah, it's a stable clip to put into this reset button in the hole. Look at this. And then it's off. Again, when I press on, it turns on, but it doesn't function. I plug in a USB, it doesn't show any drive. When I off, it doesn't turn off. Okay, let me have a look to the working one. This one I borrowed from my friend, but this one is another version. It has only 2 buttons on the top here. I press the button on. Okay, and it's on. Okay, I plug the USB sync cable in. And another end. And look at this. Yeah, you have 2 drives there. And this is information that you took the video and all file listed in the screen. Okay, come back to this device. Come back to this device. I remove this one and then I switch it off. Yeah, it's already off. Okay, so this is a problem with this spy camera, sunglasses camera. This one, this version. Sorry. This version has 4 buttons, and especially this 4 button is really hard to return its position. For example, if I press this one, it keeps sticking there, it won't return. What I have to do, I have to do it this way to pull it up to return its position. So this is another problem with this type of the spy camera. Okay, thank you.